Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote this.
Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to unbox Xiaomi A1, which comes with an Android One software. It has a dual camera setup, Snapdragon 625, and it has 5.5-inch Full HD display. And the model I bought is black color, 4GB 64GB variant, 4GB RAM. Let's unwrap it. And here comes the package. On the side it is written as Mi A1 Android One. This is the back side of the package, the top, bottom and the front side of the package. Let's unbox it. And there is a Mi logo, guys. This is the box. Let's open the seal. And here comes the phone, Xiaomi Mi A1. Guys, the first look of the phone is great, and the phone feels really great. The build quality of the phone is fully metal. The phone feels on the hand like iPhone. The look is great. It is written as mi.com. On the side it has volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom it has an headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, and Xiaomi has introduced an USB-C type charging port in this Redmi Mi A1. And these are the speaker grills. On the top here is an earpiece, and the front facing camera, which is 5 megapixel. On the rear it is written as Android One on the bottom, and Mi logo and the fingerprint sensor here, and the dual camera setup, which is here. Guys, the dual camera is, one is an wide angle lens and another is an telephoto lens, and there is a dual tone LED flash. That's it. The SIM tool is on the left side of the phone. On the top it has an IR sensor and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Wow, it looks great. Guys, at the bottom there is a SIM ejection tool here. Let's open this. It opens like this, and here is the USB-C type cable. And on the other side and here is the power brick, MI's power brick, and it's written as Xiaomi adapter, power adapter. And some paperwork which tells about the phone. Let's keep it aside. And guys, great, Xiaomi also provided and providing a scratch card with it, which is great. Okay, that's it guys. These are the things that comes with the phone. Okay, now let's power on the Mi A1 for the first time. Wow, it's turning on. It says there is an Mi logo. Guys, at the first the boot up takes some time. And it says Android 1. The colorful lines are going under one. And here comes the phone. Okay, let me finish the setup fast and show you guys. Guys, let me connect this device to the Wi-Fi for the first time. Guys, once I have connected the device to the Wi-Fi, it's checking for the software update. Okay, now it's asking for the email address, and let me skip the steps. It's asking for the name. Let me enter it. And next it's asking for the fingerprint. Let's add it. Let me first add it as confirm. Now it's asking for the fingerprint. Let me set it up. Great. Guys, the fingerprint sensor is fast. Okay guys, here comes the first starting. Guys, it's already started. It's already started. It's updating. It's updating some Mi remote control apps and some Google Play Store apps. Wow. I have fully increased the brightness of the screen, and it looks like this. And at the starting itself, there is a Google search bar on the top and some Google apps and Mi apps like feedback, Mi remote, Mi store and Mi community, and photos, Play Store. And at the bottom there is an calling option. and here is the dial pad. Messages, email, and Chrome and camera. And guys, this is the menu of the phone. This is a purely Android device, guys, and Google has promised 2 years of Android update for this mobile. Let's see the settings. And it has a storage of 64 GB device, guys, and and the system has already used 8.33 GB. Out of the box, it comes with an Android version 7.1.2, Android Nougat, swipe left comes the Google. Guys, there are 3 touch capacitive buttons on the bottom, which is backlighted. The right side button is a back button, and the center button is an home button, and the left side button is action button. Xiaomi tells that this phone has a better camera. Let's test it out. And let's ask for some permission. Photo locations. Okay, let me turn it on. Portrait mode. It tells something about portrait mode. Okay. Okay guys, let's take a picture of this MI. And the first thing, guys, as I said before, the first thing is a wide angle lens, and the second one is a telephoto lens. I will add the photos on this video, and let's check some options. It has a panorama mode, timer, audio, manual. Guys, with manual you can control the white balance, focus, exposure timing, ISO, and lens, and some beauty modes, group selfies, which detects faces, tilt shift, square, and HHD. Comes with it. Let's see the settings. Here comes the camera settings. Camera frame. Let's set this for full screen 16:9. Picture quality high. Face detection. Guys, this also shows the age and gender. Okay, let's see the video options. On video options, it comes with time lapse and slow motion. Guys, with it can capture up to 4K video. Tap focus, and the time lapse interval settings, volume button shutter functions, and the front facing camera. Let's test the sound quality. The performance of the phone is really fast, guys. See, it's loading the sites very fast. I will show you the sound quality from the speaker. Because I'm playing the song from no copyright sounds. Guys, really the sound from the speaker, inbuilt speaker, is great and clear. It comes with all the Google apps and MI apps inbuilt. Guys, I have also tested the headphone jack that comes with the phone. It's really great, and the sound quality from that headphone jack is on the next level. The fingerprint sensor is really fast. It unlocks it pretty fast. See, I have locked it. Once I touch the fingerprint sensor, it unlocks it. There is no delay, guys. The phone feels great on the hands. It comes with an hybrid SIM slot. You can add two SIMs on it. One is micro SIM and another is nano SIM. If you wish to add an SD card, then you can only add one SIM card on it, and other one can be used as an SD card slot. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you, guys. See you on the another video.